Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة: ولا يحل لكم أن تأخذوا مما آتيتموهن شيئا إلا أن يخافا ألا يقيما حدود الله، فإن خفتم ألا يقيما حدود الله فلا جناح عليهما فيما افتدت به، تلك حدود الله فلا تعتدوها، ومن يتعد حدود الله فأولئك هم الظالمون. Translation: And it is not lawful for you to take back from your wives what you had given them, unless both of them fear that they cannot keep themselves within laws imposed by Allah. But if you fear that they will not be able to remain within limits of Allah, then it is no sin on either of them if the wife gives back meher to get herself released. These are the limits set by Allah, so do not transgress them. And those who transgress limits of Allah, such are unjust and wrongdoers. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that it is not lawful for the man to take back anything of what they have given to their wives. Men are not allowed to force women to give up their dowry or meher in return for being granted a divorce. However, giving up the dowry may become part of mutually agreed settlement of terms. The necessary condition is that the man should not be clearly at fault in the breakdown of the marriage, in which case he is not entitled to ask for the dowry back, and a qadi can make a decision that he should give the divorce, or a woman can take khula. If you fear that they may not be able to maintain the limits set by Allah, then there is no sin on either of wife or husband in what if the wife gives up to secure her release. In case the woman takes initiative in the divorce, it is permissible to have a settlement in which she gives up some property to the man in return for a divorce. The divorce sought by a woman is called khula. It is reliably related that a woman came to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and said that she was unhappy with her husband and did not wish to stay with him. Upon questioning, she admitted that there was no fault in him and he gave her all her rights, but she just didn't like him. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ asked her to return the dowry that she had received from the husband, and divorce was then pronounced. In Quran, we see that it is insisted with particular force while discussing divorce that man should act with taqwa and strictly observe the limits set by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala under all circumstances. The address is particularly to men, as they are the dominant party in divorce situation, and Allah has clearly warned that no one should cross the limits set by Allah. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran and help us act on the commandments of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.